Welcome to Lesson 4 of Neurology Review Pearls. Today we're going to take a look at the Guillaume Mollaret triangle. So let's see what it is. So the triangle starts in the red nucleus, which is also called the nucleus ruber, and involves also these other structures. So red nucleus, inferior olive, or inferior olivary nucleus. And then fibers from that climb up into the cerebellum and they actually synapse on the Purkinje cells, which we'll see on the next page. And then after that, they synapse on the deep cerebellar nuclei, such as the dentate nucleus. So the next corner of it will be the dentate nucleus. And then the fibers will exit and go back to the red nucleus and further. So let's look at the tracts. So if you think about where the red nucleus is, it's located in the midbrain. And as you know, the midbrain has also two parts or two names, the tectum and tegmentum. So the red nucleus is in the tegmentum, and the tract is a central tract, hence the name central tegmental tract. All right, then it hits the olive, and then to go up to the cerebellum, basically you have these fibers, which are called climbing fibers. Then once the signal gets to the dentate nucleus, there's actually a tract called the dentatorubrothalamic, because it goes to the red nucleus, nucleus ruber, ruber means red in Latin, and then thalamic tract, and as we've seen in the other lesson, it will synapse on VL posterior in the thalamus, because that's the part of the thalamus that connects with the cerebellum. So dentatorubrothalamic tract. All right, so let's go to the next page, and let's look into the cerebellum a little bit. So again, you've got the inferior olive, and from the inferior olive you have climbing fibers, and these larger cells would be your Purkinje cells. Again, these fibers literally climb up and they form a one-to-one synapse, so one climbing fiber from one olivary cell goes up and wraps around and makes a single one-to-one synapse with a Purkinje cell. The Purkinje cells are actually arranged in sheets, and there are other connections between them. So there's a one-to-many connection by using fibers which are called parallel fibers. And these go this way in parallel, and they actually connect multiple Purkinje cells together. The output of each Purkinje cell is negative, and it's GABAergic, and it synapses on the deep cerebellar nuclei, such as the dentate nucleus. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please hit the subscribe button and look forward to more lessons. Thank you.